In this video, I will show you how to delete your old FPL account and create a new one.
First of all, to delete your account, you can simply open up Chrome. In the search bar, search for premiersleague.com, and then once you log into your account, you will see this profile icon in the top right corner. Simply click on it. From here, click on My PL Settings. Now there is this menu bar right here. Simply scroll it till the end. You can see Manage Accounts. Click on it. Now scroll down below, here is a logout button, and if you scroll down below some more, here you can find delete account. Simply click on it. After that, continue this process and follow the prompts. After that, your account will be deleted, although it will take 21 days to completely wipe off your account.
Once you have deleted your old FPL account, simply open up Chrome again. In the search bar, search for FPL or Fantasy Premier League, then click on the URL. Then click on Register Now. Here, don't try to sign in into your old account that you just tried to delete it. Simply click on Join My PL. From here, click on Join with Google or Join with Email. But make sure you use another account or another email. Simply click on Continue. After that, put in your date of birth. Select a gender. Select a country of residence, your nationality. After that, you can put in your phone number, but it's optional. You can pick the communication language preference. You can enable two-factor authentication if you want. Then click on I agree to the terms and conditions. Then click on create an account. And that's it. Your account has been created. Click on continue. Now you will be logged into your new FPL account.
And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.